Hi children, we are going to learn about atmosphere. Before going into the topic, we have to know about atmosphere. The atmosphere is the blanket of gases which surrounds Earth. Without the atmosphere, there could be no life on Earth. Where does the Earth atmosphere end? The atmosphere doesn't end at a specific place. There are so many gases present in the atmosphere such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and inert gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon and other gases. Student, shall we move to the topic? Where do we get the most significant thing that we need? From the biosphere of our Earth. What is biosphere? Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere consists land on Earth. Hydrosphere contains water on Earth. Atmosphere, air on Earth. Biosphere, life on Earth. Look at the picture. The lithosphere. The lithosphere is the rocky outer part of the Earth. Example, rock and soil form. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the total amount of water on a planet. It can be solid and liquid form. Solid, that is ice. Atmosphere. Atmosphere has only air. Next is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the envelope of air around the Earth. Weather. Weather is a day-to-day conditions of atmosphere at any place in regard to temperature, pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall. The word weather is often used by us in our day-to-day life. World Weather Day, March 23rd. Climate. Climate is the average weather for a given period of time. The word climate is derived from the Greek word called klima. Weather and climate. Weather can change within a few minutes or hours. Climate takes very long time to change. Gases in the atmosphere. Oxygen 21%, nitrogen 78%, other gases 1%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, ozone 0.00006%, argon, neon, helium, hydrogen, krypton, xenon and methane. Do you know children? The gravitational force increases near the Earth and decreases as we go higher. As a result, the density of air also differs and can be found in 5 layers called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. All the major changes occur in the troposphere. The study of weather is called meteorology. Troposphere is the first layer of Earth atmosphere. Troposphere is the only atmospheric layer that can support life. Most commercial jets fly in the lower stratosphere. Can we breathe in troposphere? Yes, we can breathe the air in troposphere. Second layer is stratosphere. The ozone layer is located in stratosphere. The ozone layer helps us from ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Next is mesosphere. The mesosphere is very important for Earth protection. The mesosphere burns up most meteors and asteroids before they are able to reach the Earth's surface. The fourth layer is thermosphere. The thermosphere is often considered the hot layer because it contains the warmest temperature in the atmosphere. Thermo means heat. Even though the air in atmosphere is thin, it is very hot up to 1800 degrees Celsius. Exosphere is the fifth layer. It is the highest and top layer of the Earth atmosphere. It is the first layer to come into contact and protect the Earth from meteors, asteroids and cosmic rays. We move to next topic. Solar radiation. The Earth receives heat energy from the sun in the form of radiation. It is called solar radiation. The sun is the only source of light to all the planets in the solar system. The land, water and air in our planets receives heat from the sun. World Environment Day, June 5. World Ozone Day, September 16. Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin are the units to measure temperature. Effects of solar radiation. Before going into this topic, you have to know about latitude and altitude. Have you heard about the word latitude and altitude? No. Latitude. Latitude is the north-south position of a point on Earth's surface. Altitude is nothing but to measure the height. We will see effects of solar radiation. There are three types: land conduction, water convection, atmosphere, terrestrial radiation. The earth has the capacity to reflect the rays from the sun. The temperature is not same everywhere. Latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, position of the mountains are some of the factors that determine the temperature of a place. Next, find out how it differs. Significance of latitude and longitude. Latitude and longitude together make grid. Thus, grid helps us to locate a place correctly. Next is latitude and longitude. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally on the Earth's surface from west to east are called latitudes. There are 180 latitudes or parallel circles drawn around the Earth's surface both in northern and southern hemispheres respectively. Longitude. These are the semicircles extended from North Pole to South Pole. The 0-degree longitude is called prime meridian. It passes through a place called Greenwich in London, England. The Earth rotates on its axis once in 24 hours. There are 360-degree longitudes on the Earth. Sunlight takes 4 minutes time to move 1 degree. India measures 3,214 km from north to south and 2,933 km from east to west.